Hey guys, Zia from Go Industrial here. Today I'm bringing you the new product of ours, the Mirka Deros 2. Let's open her up and see what's inside. A sample pack of Abranet, 4-meter power cable, balancing screws, 24mm wrench, 2-in-1 kit warranty for an extra year warranty, and at last, the Mirka Deros 2. Also, don't forget about your manual. There's an extra QR code right here for your extra year warranty. For any specific details regarding the sander, you'll find it in here. The new Mirka Deros 2 comes with a 400-watt brushless motor, offering greater lifespan, more power, and greater energy efficiency. Let's power it up. So the new Deros 2 has an improved indicator, which now shows the 7 incremental stages here. It's adjustable, of course, through the plus and minus button. This will give you a better understanding on the speed that you're running at, and it's a lot easier to monitor the machine as well. With the new Deros 2, you can now connect via Bluetooth to your mobile devices to monitor your speed, your vibration, and through the mobile app, it has it all available and showcased for you. So here's the home page. Click over here. It'll take you to your details, usage, and settings. You'll spend most of your time in the usage section, which showcases your current speed, your current vibration, and your total usage time. So they go up in stages, the speed itself. This is the first stage. And they gradually go up by 1,000 RPM from 4,000 to 10,000. You can gradually see the numbers rising. The My Mirka app also has the vibration exposure details here, and basically it shows your vibration exposure history and your daily vibration exposure limits as well. So depending on how long you're using the machine, it has that all recorded, how much vibration you're exposed to, and if you need to take action if your vibration exposure is too high, or if you're in the green. It's separated into 3 increments, green, yellow, and red. The history is separated over 7 to 30 days. Along with the new Deros 2, we also have the new Deros 2, available in the 81 by 133mm and the 70 by 198mm. The Deros 2 also features all the new additions that the Deros 2 has. The new brushless motor, the new and improved RPM indicator, and it connects to your mobile device. So if you're thinking of grabbing one or simply want to find out more, head to our website for a more detailed list. I'll leave a link below. Thanks for watching. See you later.